What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this, I have to ask you guys a serious question. Have you guys ever heard
cheese, beans, and tuna
on a baked potato? Sounds nasty, right? Well, over in the UK, it's a classic. But I also figured, why not remake it and bring it to the truck stop? Thank you. So they're actually going viral on TikTok right now.
A tuna, cheese, bean, and tram sauce jacket potato.
I reckon cheese, beans, and tuna. Is that all right?
I'm so excited. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna leave the spudding to the spuds.
Tuna, yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, cheese, beans, and tuna. Cheese, beans, and tuna.
Put fish on a potato with beans and cheese?
Yeah.
I'm knocking it. No. You have one?
You love it or hate it?
Oh, we should have brought one.
Thanks to the SpudBros and the Spud man. But I figured, why not cook this on my rig at a truck stop? So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. So without further ado, let's get on the road. We are currently hauling an empty basket out west, and we're gonna be headed back right where we're at. All right, guys, well, with that being said, let's get on the road and let's get cooking. If this goes sideways, I'm blaming TikTok. All right, y'all, we have been driving for about an hour and 45 minutes. I'm hungry, so we're gonna get some boudin. Can I get 2 sticks of, do you guys have smoked boudin today?
Yeah.
Can I get 2 sticks of it, please?
2 of it? You want me to cut those in half?
That'd be awesome.
Oh.
Maybe just like $1 or $2, the chicken crackling. All right, guys, show you what we got real quick. Here's our boudin. And we got chicken cracklings. All right, let's get back on the road. Finally made it to our destination. Let's go. I am starving. All right, I like this spot right here. It's gonna get parked. All right, since we got here a little bit earlier than I thought we were going to, I think we're just gonna sit here, chill a little bit, and I've got this course I'm taking for boating. So you need this in order to drive a boat in Louisiana. So I'm gonna do a couple slides on this, and then whenever the sun goes to set, we'll get cooking. All right, now we're changed, kinda ready for bed. I would go to the gym, but it's already 7 o'clock. By the time I go to the gym, get back here, it's gonna be like 9 o'clock. So now I went ahead and grabbed all the ingredients this morning so that we didn't have to leave the truck stop. So total for everything was like $14.03. Something I didn't realize, we don't have an oven. So it's gonna be kind of hard to bake a potato when you don't have an oven. So we're gonna boil the potatoes. We've got butter, we got our crispy onions, 2 golden potatoes. I might get a lot of hate for this, but I looked everywhere and I could not find the traditional Heinz beans. So we went ahead and got pork and beans in tomato sauce by Showboat. It's literally just navy beans, water, sugar, tomato puree, salt, pork. This is what we're using instead of Heinz beans. Hopefully it still turns out good and maybe it's still maybe a little authentic, but we got cheese and tuna. So starting out, boiling the potatoes, we need to get some water boiling. All right, should be good enough. Guys, check this out. This light just turned on and it's so bright. It's gonna be so perfect. While our water boils, we're gonna go ahead and get our tuna mixture ready. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a basic. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's salt. Apparently I left my salt open.
And apparently, I've never been on live television before.
All right, we're gonna add some mayo. We're gonna do some pepper. So this is what we're looking like. Our water's still not boiling. Let's turn it up. Maybe we should put the lid on it. All right, guys, we don't really have anything else to prep, so I guess we'll just hang out until it starts boiling. If you guys are new here, my name's Trent, by the way, and I do this all the time. And if you guys do enjoy these videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It means the world to me. You guys have been showing me so much love lately. Like, I just want to say I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I am loving this journey. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Share the video, like, subscribe, and make sure you guys comment. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. A lot of you guys give me some really good ideas behind the scenes, but if you guys want, just drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. All right, guys, we are at a rolling boil now. It is time to add the potatoes. All right, now we just gotta let these cook for the next like 10 minutes, I guess. In the meantime, we'll get our beans heated up. I'll grab this. Gonna go ahead and pour our pork and beans. I don't think we need to do anything crazy with this. Just put it on a flame. Not gonna lie, these beans smell so good. They are just cooking up right now. I guess that's one cool thing about this spot. Just watching the airplanes drive right over your head. I think there's like an airport 12 miles away, if I'm not mistaken. I have this habanero honey mustard. I think we're gonna add this to our tuna. I think it'd be fire. Looks a little better. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and pull our potatoes. It's been like 45 minutes. I'm not even kidding. Hopefully they're done. Should work. Let's mash these potatoes. And kinda, we're trying our best here. Do lots of cheese. And then our beans. Topped with our tuna. This plate is insane. Oh my gosh, I forgot the butter. God dang it, Trent. That's like the most important part. Dude, it's gotta have butter. Okay, we're gonna just squeeze the butter some good places. The butter is already melting. Check it out. And then our crispy onions. All right, this is how we're looking. Kind of crazy, but we got potato, garlic butter, topped with cheese, beans, tuna, crispy onions. This is very popular in the UK, so I don't think I did very good. It looks like a pie. So they say you're supposed to let it sit for like 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Without further ado, finished product looks pretty good. So now we need to get a bite with potatoes. Holy cow. Check out the garlic butter, the cheese, the beans, the potato. You need to get a bite. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely odd. But to say this doesn't taste good is ridiculous. Look at that bite. Tuna, beans, potato. You can see the little garlic butter in there. This is good. Like, I know that Keith Lee reviewed this and he did not like it. I'm kind of surprised why and how, because it's just so many flavors packed into one. It's weird. Like, I get the tuna, like the tuna is a big punch, but it's a good punch. It's not like overpowering. Like, it balances really well. The garlic butter helps this a lot. Like, the garlic butter is phenomenal. I don't know. I think it's really good. If I would have ordered this like from a food truck over in the UK, which I do plan on going one day, I'm rating this an 8.6. It's amazing. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about trying it, you need to try this. It was so easy to make. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I will catch you guys whenever I'm done. All right, we are all cleaned up besides this, but it'll buff. It is time to get ready for bed. And we also have to go pay for parking, so let's go do that. All right, guys, we paid for parking. We brushed our teeth, threw some water on our face. Makes me feel a lot better right before bed. We do not have an early morning tomorrow. We don't have to be to our drop off till 9 o'clock. So hopefully they hurry up, put their stuff in, and then we can kind of get in and out of there pretty quickly. So yeah, let's go to bed.
Morning, guys. Something that I realized, it's a lot harder to wake up when it is the perfect sleeping temperature. Currently it's like 61 degrees outside. It's actually really pretty outside too, but it's about 8:20. Time to get up, get ready, so we can get out of here.
That guy, if you guys have been watching my videos for a little bit, that guy that I always complain about, the security guy, he woke me up in the middle of the night, but not the way that he usually wakes me up. He woke me up because he was screaming at someone because they didn't pay to park. Like, I'm not kidding. Screaming like a kid, like a child. Like, bro, you're a security guy. Your only job is to make sure people like us pay their $15 parking. Just ease up a little bit, man. It was kind of crazy. It blows my mind to see people like that. All right, guys. We ran inside and got some breakfast. We did the chorizo and eggs, and then I got this like marinated beef. I don't know, it's really good. And then I threw some pico on top. All right, time to head to the pickup. So we are basically gonna be taking these doors off. He's gonna be putting the toolboxes right inside. Shouldn't take us too long, and we'll be on our way. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, and then we could just set it, we could lean it on my trailer if you want. Perfect. You could just back, it would probably be all right to back up.
Down, 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 down. Dude, you turning saves your ass. Yeah. Turning really saves your ass.
Yeah, dude. Let's go. I'll be in there in a sec. Just gotta strap it down and then we're good. We are all strapped and loaded up. It is time to get out of here. It's gonna be a good day today, y'all. All right guys, well, I appreciate you guys hanging out. As always, if you guys did like this video, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below if you'd like to see me cook something next. And if you guys like my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more. And right next to that subscribe button is a bell. Now, if you click that bell, you will get notified every single time I post. And if that's something you guys want to do, make sure to hit that bell to be notified every time I post. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next adventure. What a beautiful day. No wind, no clouds, 75 degrees. I should be fishing.